Hi everybody, Monty here, and we're getting ready for week 5. This is a math class. You're gonna need a calculator, okay? So, what kind of a calculator do you need? I don't care what you have as long as you have a calculator. So, many of you have a cell phone, okay? I have no problem. Want to use a cell phone? Go ahead and use a cell phone. I need you to be able to take your cell phone, find the calculator app, okay? When you click on the calculator app, I need you to be able to turn it sideways so that you see special buttons, okay? Right now we're interested in x squared and square root, these two buttons, okay? Don't have a cell phone? No problem. Look at all the different versions of calculators that are on the internet. But your actual computer has a great cell phone. Has a great calculator. Hello. More. All right. So go down to the search bar and type in calculator. Okay. Every computer has a calculator app. Just click on it. Once you click on that, I already have mine open. Okay. You're going to have a calculator pop up on your computer. I think I opened too many of them, huh? Slow down, Monty. Okay. Now, if you didn't know, you need a calculator in math. We're going to be doing this 2-3 times a week. You can actually right-click when it's open and pin it to the taskbar, unlike what I just did. Okay. So we're going to go to the calculator app. Going to open it up, and then I'm going to pin it down here. Okay, pin to taskbar. All right. Now there's this little waffle up in the left corner on your computer, and there's the standard version. Standard version's all we need for the next month, as long as you have an x squared and a square root button. If you've never used them before, we're going to teach you. Okay, we need these two buttons. Phone works. This version works. There's tons of calculators out there. If you're interested, click and go to scientific, because x squared and square root are right here, and then next month we're going to use a couple other functions. But I need to make sure that you have a calculator and that you can operate that calculator. So week 5, October 12th, okay, to the 15th, we're going to be using a calculator. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. I will also say, if you're interested in getting the Webbit, okay, the Webbit is the actual calculator we use in class, okay, if we were in the school building, okay, and with the Webbit, see if I can move him over here. My face is in the way. Okay, all right, so the Webbit. How do you find a Webbit? You can actually download the Webbit onto your school computer, no problem. There's a separate video tutorial I'll post that shows you right in our Teams page. Go to Files and you'll see Webbit. You have to download the execute. You have to download the actual face that you put on it, and you can have the Webbit. This is what I actually use during our lessons. This calculator works, your phone works, got to tip it on the side in order to have all the functions that we need in geometry. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.